backhoe operation. It's case 580D. As you can see, this is a three-stick operation rather than a two-stick, either John Deere or Cat setup. I'm going to just do a little bit of digging real quick, one-handed, see if I can do it. Generally you use two hands. Right hand would be on the right stick and left hand would do two. I'm just going to go a little slower than normal and do it all with one hand. Quick steer, you're swinging your boom. I'm going to try and move that piece of concrete out of the way. There we go, we got it. Oh, we had it. Alright, I'm going to fold it back up, go back to a two-hand operation.